What if I told you this old cooling fan can turn your ordinary charcoal stove into a powerful fire blower? Sounds impossible, right? Well, today I'm going to show you a simple DIY hack that can save time and make your charcoal burn much faster using scrap electronic parts. Before we begin, let me know in the comments, where are you watching from? I'd love to see how many countries are here. Now let's build it. First, grab 2 small magnets. You can easily find these inside old keypad mobile phone speakers. They may look tiny, but they'll help us mount the fan without drilling or making permanent changes to the stove. Now take your cooling fan. I'm using one salvaged from an old electronic device, but any working 12-volt cooling fan with good airflow should work just fine. Next, grab a glue stick and a soldering iron. Carefully melt a small amount of hot glue onto the center of the top side of the fan. Then press one magnet firmly into place. Hold it for a few seconds until the glue cools and hardens. After that, flip the fan over and repeat the same process on the bottom side using the second magnet. Make sure both magnets are securely attached because they'll keep the fan firmly connected to the charcoal stove while it's running. Now let's prepare the power connector. Grab a 12-volt DC connector and solder one wire to the positive terminal and another wire to the negative terminal. Double-check your solder joints to make sure they're strong because loose connections can cause power loss later. Next, grab the cooling fan and strip the insulation from its wires. On most cooling fans, the black wire is negative and the yellow wire is positive. Ignore any extra wires because we won't need them for this project. Connect the fan's positive wire to the connector's positive wire. Then connect the negative wire to the negative wire. Twist them together or solder them for a stronger connection. Finally, wrap each connection carefully with electrical tape to prevent short circuits. A clean and secure connection means better performance and safer operation. Now comes the exciting part. Grab a 12-volt adapter and plug it into the connector. Then plug the adapter into an extension board. As soon as the power turns on, look at that. The cooling fan starts spinning at full speed. Everything is working perfectly. Now let's see what it can do on a real charcoal stove. Using the magnets we installed earlier, simply attach the fan to the charcoal stove's air intake. It snaps into place in seconds. Now plug in the adapter once again, and watch what happens. The fan forces fresh air directly into the burning charcoal, making the fire much stronger almost instantly. More oxygen means a hotter flame, faster cooking, and less waiting. You can boil water in much less time, cook food more efficiently, or use it for many other charcoal projects that need a powerful fire. And the best part is, it's made almost entirely from scrap electronics that many people throw away every day. If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more genius electronic hacks, and tell me in the comments which country you're watching from. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.